In this video, I will be solving January 2018 number 3B. Using a ruler, a pencil, and a pair of compasses, construct triangle PQR with PQ is equal to 8 centimeters, angle PQR is equal to 120 degrees, and QR is equal to 5 centimeters for 4 marks. So I went ahead and sketched a diagram of triangle PQR, and I recommend to all students to sketch a diagram before they do their construction. So this is a triangle PQR, and here PQ is 8 centimeters, QR is equal to 5 centimeters. Angle PQR is 120 degrees. Now in order to construct at 120 degree angle, what I need to do is to construct a 60 degree angle here and use the exterior angle to get 120 degrees. I know that this is 120 degrees because the angle of a straight line is 180 degrees. 180 minus 60 is 120 degrees. So now in part 2 here, they say to measure and state the length of the side PR for 1 mark. This is PR here. I place a question mark here because I don't know it yet, but I will measure this with my ruler. In part 3, on your diagram in B part 1, construct the point S such that PQRS forms a parallelogram. This is the point S. Since PQRS will be a parallelogram, it means that PQ and SR are equal and parallel, so they will be both 8 centimeters, and PS and QR will be parallel and of the same length, so they will be 5 centimeters. I will use this information to do my construction on a new sheet now. I will be using my compass, my ruler, my pencil to do my construction. This too is a compass. It comes in the geometry set and most students will have one like this. I don't like it because it slips easily, but if you have a sturdy one, it will work fine. Just be careful with it, okay? This tends to shake, so make sure that you have a good one in time for examinations. This compass, I'm able to manage my risk of these compasses opening and closing unexpectedly by this wheel here. So I'm able to just fix the opening. So it's more likely that I'll actually do the construction correctly. So I'm going to start here by drawing a horizontal line. It's going to be a light construction line. And I'm going to identify a point P. I'm going to call this P here. And I'm going to open my compass here. And I'm going to measure here 8 centimeters. This here is my pivot. This is my pencil point. So the pivot goes at 0, and I need to open this a little more so that I could get 8 centimeters. So here I have 8 centimeters measured. I will take that now, put my pivot at P, scribe a small arc here. The intersection here will tell me my point Q. Now at Q here, this is where I'm going to construct my 60 degree angle. I will use Q as my center. But I need to label here 8 centimeters. And I will draw a heavy line on this line segment PQ, which is part of our triangle PQR. So now I'm going to take my compass. I'm going to adjust the length here, and I'm going to measure 5 centimeters. I'm measuring 5 centimeters because what I'm trying to do is to construct my 60 degree angle with an arc of 5 centimeters to locate R one time. So it's less construction I'm doing, but still getting the job done. So I have here 5 centimeters, so I'm going to use that here. And I will scribe an arc here. And this point that intersects the line here, I will use as my center and scribe an arc. This will locate here my point R. I will draw a line from this intersection straight to the point Q. And I will draw a line from this intersection to the point P. This is 60 degrees, so this is 120 degrees. This here is 5 centimeters. And this is part 1. This is a solution to part 1. Part 2, they wanted me to measure the length of PR. So I'm going to take my ruler. I'm going to measure here. And I'm getting here 11.3 centimeters. Part 3, they wanted us to construct the point S such that PQRS forms a parallelogram. Now, for a parallelogram, as was indicated earlier, this is 5 centimeters, so this side will be 5 centimeters, this will be 8 centimeters. So, as I indicated to you that this width is already 5 centimeters because I fixed it, but I'm going to measure it just to show you. So, I'm going to go here, put my pivot here at 0, and you would see that this is 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters here. Okay? So I am putting my pivot here at P, and I'm going to scribe an arc. And I'm going to go here now, again, open this out, and I'm going to measure 8 centimeters. This needs to close a little bit. A little more. Alright, so we have 8 centimeters there. And I'm going to put my pivot at R, and I'm going to scribe an arc. At this point of intersection, I'm going to draw a line straight to P and to R. So this is S here, and this is 5 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters, and this is my solution.